My mommy said no more skibidi toilet, so I left a poo-poo in her chocolate cake. This is Ohio, home of the Gritty and Rizzlers. I'm having skibidi toilet withdrawals. I'm going insane if I don't watch episode 99. I will annihilate mankind with an hydrogen bomb. Fortnite legendary bush. Fortnite legendary scar boogie bomb. Bussin' like Gaiat anime transformation. I curled a pillow for 55 reps, and now I'm exhausted waiter. Can you please get me one chug jug and one grimace shake, Aiden Ross? I'm your #1 fan. I want to be a Rizzler like you when I grow up. Can you please make me your prodigy to understand the quantum mechanics of Riz and the indecencies of the neurological pathways of the conscious nervous systems, justifying the moral dilemmas of man, the ultimate judgment of character, based on forged principles?